What's up guys, we're back at it today with part 2 of this hardtop build. We're not going to waste any time, we're going to get right into this. So we have the hardtop temporarily mounted up here. We're ready to get this back curtain in. We're going to temporarily mount up our back curtain so we can drill holes in the bed and in the side of the wheel wells there. We have the seat belt boxes riveted up to the back curtain, well, the part of the curtain that'll hold the window. We've temporarily mounted up some of our brackets for the lower part. This is basically like the bed separator. We have to tighten it all down so we can get this temporarily mounted in there so we can drill our holes in between the wheel wells there, so we can mount some riv nuts so this will all bolt up together. Let's get to it. Alright, we got all of those parts of the latches attached to the rear curtain. Now it's time that we attach this portion to the C-pillar. Alright, now we have all of the latches on the hard top and the C-pillar put in. Let's see how this rear curtain fits. So guys, it fits pretty well. All the hooks come in from the rear curtain, and with the latch system you just loop that up and push and it locks in place. Alright guys, it's the next day and we already had to take this back off. Dummy me, forgot to put the weather stripping on the bottom. But in order to do this, we are going to want to take it back off so we can paint it. So I am going to try to use some double-sided tape to see if it'll hold it in place while we just temporarily mock everything up and take it back apart, and then we'll actually peel and stick the stuff in place. And it's done. Man, it's so much easier that way. And just like that, that side's done. But seriously, in all honesty, I did find out that in order to get these tight bends like this, it really works well if you do one cut and then maybe a millimeter over do another cut. Just on the inside, the outside is still actually all in one piece. There was no cuts on the outside. So we're going to try to get this double-sided tape to stick down on there so we can get the weather stripping down on this flat side. So we got all of the seals in place now on the rear curtain. Now we're gonna use a few bolts to loosely attach the bed partition to the bottom here. Now we have the rear curtain back in We have the bed partition just loosely bolted up. Now we have to get a square so we can square up the bed partition, and then we got to drill holes here. There's one on the other side as well for the bed mount, and then also along the side there's holes to drill as well. Alrighty guys, it looked like our battery ended up dying in our camera, but we do now have this all the way in. I ended up getting all those drilled and inserting the riv nuts along this bottom part. So it is just temporarily mounted in, and not all the bolts are in place and tightened down, but everything has been test fit. All the bolts have been through the holes, but let's get some shots of this. As you can see guys, I threw the hard doors on to make sure everything fit, but also just because I wanted to see what it'll look like. And guys, it looks good. Please stick around for my other videos coming up. We have a lot going on with this build. Here's a little sneak peek of it. Guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you want to see something more in depth. I'll see y'all next time.